If your curiosity looks like a cat, you're in the right universe. Welcome to Ayan Infinity. We're thrilled to have you here exploring the endless possibilities of our channel. From captivating stories to mind-blowing facts, Ayan Infinity is all about feeding your curiosity and sparking joy. Thank you for your incredible support. Your likes, comments and shares mean the world to us. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button because this adventure is just getting started. Night comes, the world gets quiet, we start to notice more. A walk turns into an adventure. The hot day is gone, cool air comes in, nighttime calls us to explore. Sharjah Al Khan Lagoon shines in the dark. The water is calm, showing the sky like a mirror. Palm trees move softly in the wind. Everything feels peaceful. Families walk along the path. We hear children laughing. It feels like a friendly place. Across the lagoon, Sharjah's buildings light up. They look like tall towers of light. Their lights dance on the water. The moon is high in the sky. Stars shine in the big dark sky. It makes us think about how amazing the universe is. We smell the ocean air. A soft wind seems to tell old stories. We can almost feel Sharjah's history. Sharjah is a city of art and stories. It keeps its traditions but also looks forward to the future. We leave the lagoon feeling happy and inspired.